it's Ashley asked, what are your thoughts on robo-advisors like StashAway?
Okay, robo-advisors,
Yeah.
I'll address this two ways. First is robo-advisors,
Okay.
number two is StashAway.
Yep.
I would say that robo-advisors in general cater to those who already know they need to do something. So let's say there's a robo-advisor in stock picking, uses an algorithm to select stocks. You would need to know my portfolio needs stocks. I need to do stocks. I need to know how much money I need to set aside in stocks every month or every quarter, whatever it is. And then my problem is I don't know how to choose stocks, right? If that is the case, then the robo-advisor helps you. But if you're talking about how much to invest, should you be doing stocks at all? Maybe you haven't done all the other important things yet. Then I don't see a robo-advisor really helping a lot of this because everybody's situation is unique. I give you another example. If you look at a robo-advisor advising on personal finances, and let's say regarding cash flow, right? In Malaysia, a lot of us give money to parents. From a purely financial planning point of view, this is a complete waste of money. All right? It doesn't do anything for our finances, right? Some people say, oh, it's my rental by staying at home. Well, okay, fine. But other than that, it doesn't help you with finances. But it is something emotionally that we need, or something that for the family harmony that we need. So it is very, very subjective, and you have to decide, because there is a certain amount that is okay and a certain amount that you shouldn't actually be doing. So if you're giving half your money to your parents, again, apologies for, and no offense to any parent out there, and you are not doing any of your own investments, then that is I would say not the right thing to do. Okay? But if you're giving a small amount, 200, 300, 400, $500 a month, and you have no problem, you've done all your homework, all your investments done, then sure. Okay? So a robo-advisor, I think, caters specifically to a specific issue. You already know what to do, that you need to do something, you need to know how much you need to do, what percentage of your assets, then sure, it helps you with that situation. So you have to get there first, right? Specifically on StashAway, I would say, again, I don't represent StashAway. Okay, they're not paying me for this. But two things I do like about it is that one, they are licensed by the SC, so which means and they're licensed by the Monetary Authority in Singapore. So that tells me that look, they have been vetted, that they are legit. Whether they make money or not is a different case, but at least what they're doing is legit. You don't want to be in any scams. Number two, you look at their projected returns. The last I saw, they projected something from 3 to 9%. Now, anybody who has been in investment for a while, okay, knows that a single-digit return is more or less the only sustainable return that you can do in the long run, right? So by them saying 3 to 9%, I feel that they generally have a good idea about it's more, I guess, how to put it, more down to earth. They're not promising anything too lofty, which means I feel that it's more legit, okay? The actual golden rate of return when it comes to financial planning, they say if you get this rate of return, you are fantastic, okay? It's 7%. 7% return per year is fantastic, right? So you should aim for that, okay? In fact, in my personal financial planning for my clients, I try to assume a 5% rate for estimations, because 7% is a bit hard. But if you can hit 7%, it is fantastic. Yeah, to people who always look at things like, 10%, 20%, 15%. You may get that for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but to get it consistent